Do you need to delete apps but don't know how to do it? Here are 3 effective tips. 1. For iPhone or iPad, press and hold the app icon on the home screen until the icons start jiggling. Look for the X button that appears on the top left corner of the app icon. Tap the X button and confirm the deletion when prompted. Press the Home button or swipe up from the bottom to stop the jiggling and exit the app deletion mode. 2. For Android, go to the device's home screen or the app drawer. Find the app you want to delete and long press its icon. Drag the app icon over to the Uninstall or Remove option that appears at the top or bottom of the screen. Confirm the deletion when prompted, and the app will be uninstalled from your device. 3. For computers, if using Windows software, go to the Start menu or the app list, right-click on the app you want to delete, and select Uninstall or Uninstall Change before following the prompts to remove the app. On macOS, locate the app in the Applications folder or Launchpad. Click and hold on the app icon until it starts shaking or shows an X button. Click the X button and confirm the deletion when prompted.